Storage doesn't have to be synonymous with shoving your belongings in a closet, pulling the doors closed, and hoping no one ever looks inside. In reality, it can serve a dual purpose. In addition to keeping your belongings safe and organized, it can actually become an important, and even essential, component of your aesthetic. If you're ready to have your storage solutions pull double duty, this post is for you. We've compiled a list of ideas on how to effortlessly include storage in your decor. Look them over and use the ones you love as design inspiration for your next home improvement project. By incorporating a few of these suggestions into your own interiors, you can create a design that is equally functional and beautiful. 1. Have your backsplash pull double duty. 2. Take your built-ins to the next level. 3. Incorporate the clothes rack. 4. Get creative in your corners. 5. Add a few cubby holes. 6. Reconsider rope and shelving. 7. Create hidden storage in an ottoman. 8. Shape your space with a room divider. 9. Go big with a storage cabinet. 10. Don't forget about storage trunks. 11. Consider under-bed storage options. 12. Use space under your stairs. 13. Add height with vertical storage. 14. Think about the wall rack. What do you think of these storage solutions? Will you be trying any of them in your own home? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below.